noise cancellation off, so it'll be interesting to see what the interference is like, particularly on these side roads here. Before we then hit the motorway. Do wonder if you can hear the engine. Just a slight bit of traffic ahead. So picked up a little bit of speed there. Let's just see if I can fill it through here. So we're going to hit the M60, going to head towards Knutsford, roughly around 20 miles we'll be travelling. Mixture of sideways and motorways, just hitting the motorway now. Here we go, pick the speed up a bit. So we'll be able to really tell now whether we've got noise cancellation, what this noise cancellation level low is like soon, as I start to pick up the speed. So remember, there is no noise cancellation set at the moment, it's set to off. So it'll be interesting to see what you pick up, whether you pick up the engine noise or not. Gosh, that sun is bright. It's a really nice morning this morning. I think kids are back at school now. Traffic ahead. This guy's letting me out, which is good. Check the weather this morning. I think it's meant to clear up. It's not meant to be as wet. Oh, don't know what this guy's doing here. I think the highs are going to be about 8 or 9 degrees. We're looking at it's 8:30 now, currently at 6 degrees, which is good for, it's good this time in the morning. Hello and welcome back to my second review of this being now tested as noise cancellation low, whereas before we tested it as noise cancellation off. So it will be interesting to see how this compares with the previous review. I do hear a lot of people say they do like the noise cancellation setting as being low as compared to the high, but ultimately that particular person who did the review, it was more on a dirt track. It wasn't on a motorway, or they wasn't testing it on the country roads, and ultimately it wasn't testing it in the UK. So obviously there's going to be a difference here in terms of the temperature, the wind speed, and the different cars on the road that I'll be testing it on, that you would experience being a UK rider. So yeah, I'll be quite excited to see how this pans out. Really good at the moment. Feels quite good to be out on the road around 5 o'clock and it being actually quite light. Now coming up to the warmer months definitely means be out on the bike a lot longer without experienced dark weather. So on the bike it says it's roughly around 9 degrees. I'll probably say that's about accurate. Definitely does feel warm. Yeah. So just remember this is set as noise cancellation being low. Previous snippet was noise cancellation off. Beautiful day. Sun's out. I mean, so far I'm enjoying the Mic Mini. As I said, I hardly know it's there. Sometimes I have to look down to see that I can just see it in the corner of my helmet. I'm worried that it might fall off. So remember, this is DJI Mic Mini, noise cancellation set as low. And then going at quite a fast speed here. Hear a lot of wind right here. Wonder how that's picking up on the mic. I'm pretty much on the country road here. And we're off, testing. So this is on noise cancellation high. Where I'm taking the bike, I haven't eaten yet, so I'm going to take the bike to a place called JMS Accessories, which I should imagine is going to be quite busy, which is fine. I should imagine there'll be quite a few bikers out today because it is quite busy on the roads and it's a beautiful day. You may also notice today when I'm doing the views and the snippets of the videos that this one that I'm reviewing right now will have an ultra wide angle, which is good. I did find the last two videos that I did, I didn't feel like the image was that good. Didn't come out as well as I did. So basically what happened with, when you go for the DJI Action Pro, oh sorry, DJI Action 4 does have the odd update, and I can only make out that those updates restart your configuration settings again. So if you've seen my first video, you'll see that those configuration settings that I went through, because I did an update on my phone, it reset itself, so I had to input it again. But I didn't notice that at the time when I did the first two videos testing the Mic Mini. So just food for thought, something to factor in and bear in mind. So basically, so again, I'm hitting a good speed here. This is on noise cancellation high setting. You can see it's quite a nice day today. It's lovely as a matter of fact. As I mentioned, I'm on noise cancellation high. It'll be interesting to see how the wind is. Whether you're getting any interference at all.
Hello. So, just in summary, what we've seen
the DJI Mic Mini on noise cancellation off. We've also seen it on noise cancellation low and also noise cancellation high. Hopefully you have seen the videos of me out on the road comparing all three settings. So in terms of my summary, I do feel that you know, when I look at noise cancellation off, I do hear quite a lot of interference, particularly when the visor was up. But as you noted, partway through at the beginning, I started to shut the visor down, and it felt like it was capturing more of the my voice better, which I thought was a great improvement. When I looked at noise cancellation low, I really felt that the way it picked up my voice was really good. What I liked over it particular is that it also was able to capture my engine sound, and was also able to cross that over with my voice as well. So I think they were balanced really quite nicely. So you couldn't hear the engine noise over my voice as much as you could on noise cancellation low. I felt that a noise cancellation low had quite a nice balance. Noise cancellation high was really quite effective. However, what I didn't like about it is the fact that you could actually hear more so of my voice than the engine, and I really kind of liked having a balance. So as you can see here, I've also decided to do this short clip as a summary outside. There's someone mowing the lawn at the back there. I'm not sure how much of that you can grasp or pick up, but I just wanted you to really get a feel in terms of now what the mic is like whilst I'm sat still. In summary, I personally feel that noise cancellation low was the better setting for me. I played the video back on all three multiple times, but I really did like the sound over the fact. Really did like the fact that you could really hear the engine as well as my voice, so it was really well balanced. But that's my opinion. So it'll be really interesting to see how you thought of the different audio clips on the comments below. And as well, this is now my third video. Hopefully material does get better along the way, as I am starting to just start to create this channel. But yeah, thanks for watching, yeah, please come back as I start to upload more videos on the channel. Thank you.